Hi everyone, this is a video about how to make game assets by Midjourney, and this is honestly my very first video. And in this video, I will show how I use Midjourney to make this cartoony style game assets. Let's get it started. So firstly, I'll show you what's the result. So this three is the one I made by Midjourney, and this is the reference. The reference is from my favorite game, Royal Match, which is a match 3 game. So I think I will start from very easy one because in other big games they need more complicated assets. But in this kind of game, the most important is game UI icon and also the background, because this is a match 3 game and also a decoration game. So the background is very important and the icon is very important. So you can see in these three things, in this 3 page I made it, I just changed the background because I want to represent different environments. So very important is how to create this game UI, which normally the hardest part. So let's see what I made it. I will separate them from the game. Okay, this I will drop it one by one to see what I made. Oh, sorry. This game UI is 100% made by Midjourney, and also this background is made by Midjourney, and the rest of the button is made by Photoshop. So it's very easy. So let's get started. How I made it this style and stick it to this style, not run into some weird picture. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I started with the UI. Why that? Because I think in this game the UI is very iconic and very important, and once you stick to the very specific style of UI, you can stick to the art style, and then the background can stick to the UI style. Then all of the interface looks very comfortable. So first thing I want to highlight is that this prompt is must in this. This prompt is a must. First is a multiple item spreadsheet. This means we need multiple icons, so you can use it. Otherwise, you can only get one. And the second sentence I put is the describe of the icon I needed. Here I put cartoon treasure chest icon. For mobile game is very clear. And then I will describe some details about this icon style. For example, low detail and bright color and blah blah blah. And the last thing is I defined it's a degree angle, because I want this all the icon looks the same angle, so I define them as a 45-degree angle. Here I use Midjourney, the latest version. So after I type this one, you can see what I get is this kind of chest. It looks not bad, but doesn't give us a cartoon style, this cute style. So the next part I did is style reference. That means you can see here I type in the 100% same sentence, the prompts. Then after that, I type in --sref, which means style reference, and then I put in image link. I'll show you the link. Link is like this. That means that all the picture I generate will stick to this style. So after this, I use Midjourney, because I think Midjourney is more it's better than Midjourney is better than Midjourney when you create a cartoon style. So after that, you can see we got plenty of chessboard, and honestly all of them looks great. Some may not right, but I think most of them can be used in the game, right? So after that, I try a second round, and after that I tried a different items. Here I try to create some keys, looks great. And then normally we need some books. Great. Okay, after several try, the next thing I need is the background, right? Here I use a second function of the Midjourney is I use a describe function. Describe means if you tap describe, and you can type in image or link, and then you can get the prompt to describe the image. For example, here I use this image, I copy image link, and I type in this link, and Midjourney will give the prompt to describe the image. That means if you want to copy an image, or you don't know what description for image, you can try to use this to copy and paste. For example, here I want to have this angle a version for interior room, so I describe this image. And you can see Midjourney give you 4 options, and I'll combine them. For example, I definitely will use a top-down view of interior room. Then I will add some my own sentence to describe the room, what's in the room. So the final prompt is a top-down view of an interior room with a wooden floor and wall, and also I describe the large table in the center, and there's a fireplace. And also I will describe the style, which is 3D rendering stylist, simple background with no shadow. Also here I use the same reference picture, which is this chest, because I want to keep the same. So after first run, I think the result is pretty good. Like each of them looks great. So I didn't change a lot. I just used the second, this one. And honestly, this one looks already 90% perfect. But some of the details are not right. For example, I don't want this purple thing here and there. And also there's too many details here. So the next function I use is vary. How to use it is very simple. So just click vary and use this button to highlight the part you don't want, and I just added remove them, then that's it. So the next version looks better because I removed this purple thing and looks clean. So this is the final one I use. It's pretty perfect as a reference, right? So after this, I just try to prompt in more items I needed. For example, trophies and books and more trophy. And also I want a home icon, which I just type in a house because it's a house decoration game, right? And then the flag to represent team. After this, and also I will do some varies, and I get some very beautiful icons. So these are the one I want to use. So I save it to the DeX. Okay, so after that you can get, what you can get is the very beautiful background. For example, the one I get is this one. So I put this one is I get, and also I got this very beautiful icons I needed. So the next step just to use some buttons and some graphic design to put them together. So I also generate some other environments. For example, this is like a living room. It's pretty good. And also I generate a garden. I think it's this not good one. So I tried another. Another is more like a musician room. So it's a musical instrument room. This one looks good. And also I tried more like a library, some this kind of library room, and last one I tried is like a beach side. So this one is perfect. So the last part is just to put them together and using some Photoshop to create some buttons and just put them together. So, and it's pretty easy, and this is how I create game methods by using Midjourney. And thanks for watching, and if you have more questions, please reply, and also please subscribe my channel if you like. It's my very first video. Okay, thank you, see you.